So after 12 years of owning a SawStop, I finally set it off with this fence. Not with my hand, but with this fence. Basically the problem was I had this aluminum fence extended out too much, and I had this over top of it. It just didn't register what I was doing. The fence went right into the spinning blade and functioned as intended. Brake immediately activated, and I was out of commission until I got a new brake and a blade. My first response was to put this reminder to myself, but ultimately determined that I really don't need a metal fence. I can use something that's non-conductive. Logical thing would be wood, but because I like to overcomplicate things, I'm going to design this in Fusion and 3D print it. So here we go. So the fence very easily comes off. Like I said, the fence very easily comes off, and I'll just take some measurements. The actual length doesn't really matter, but we'll figure it out. 15 1/4 long by 1 inch wide by 2 inches tall. Then got to figure out at least one of these extrusions so that it can fit on the mounting plate there. I don't necessarily need to do the other extrusions because I probably won't use them for anything, but so even with all that, it's still not very straight. So I think I need to take a different approach. Perhaps milling 3D printed parts, not the best idea. So of course I forgot to video the part where I was actually pouring it together, but here we go. I used some 5-minute epoxy to give me a little bit of time. It's actually looks perfect. So I now have a fence that I can use when I don't want to pull out my monster crosscut sled there. And I think I can objectively say that even if I adjust it wrong and it touches the blade, it won't set it off. So if I touch here, you can see it definitely activates the brake. And if I touch it here again with my metal one, it will objectively activate the brake. But if I then accidentally put this plastic thing into it and touching it, it will not set it off. It'll cut right into it. I might need to print another one, but at least won't destroy the blade and make me buy a new brake. So could I have done this easier and quicker with a wood fence? Yes. Would it have been as much fun? Probably not. Anyway, if anyone wants this, I'll put it on Printables and Thingiverse and whatnot for the 6 of you out there that have this actual Craftsman miter gauge.